guys, welcome to day 3 of Merrymas. So this is the look I came up with. I was seeing a lot of pictures on this look on Instagram. I don't know who is the creator because so many people have done it and I thought that I should also do it. So I have done this colorful glittery under eye with a green fairy light kind of thing. So I don't know what it is called, but it looks so nice. And you know what, I think this is totally wearable in a Christmas party, but Christmas is over. You might just try it on the 31st, but yeah, this is it. I loved creating this, and again I have used so many palettes. Please don't get mad at me because obviously one palette cannot have all the shades, so I had to do that. But this was a fun look, and in person the under eye is looking so gorgeous, like amazing it's looking. That's it. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I'm just hoping that I cross 1000 subscribers before this year ends. I don't know that will happen or not, but still I am hoping for that. And also, if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. And without wasting time now, let's get started.
It's a crime not to prime. So we are priming our lids, and after that's done, I'll take the same concealer and just map out a wing. Basically, as you will do a wing with a gel eyeliner, you are doing the same with a concealer so that the color we are going to apply next sticks to it. Next thing is I'll take this Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette. This is I don't know if I should call it a palette, but this is the only like sparkly green shade that I have. Not so green, but we walked with it. I mean, I did at least. So I took this liner brush, it is called, and then I'm just packing the color on top of the wet concealer. I did not set the concealer, by the way. And just because I did not apply anything to my crease, it was looking kind of bare, so I decided to go in with this shade. Not that it did too much, but kind of sorted me. Then I went in and used a black eyeliner to kind of draw strings, like basically it looks like fairy lights, so the fairy light threads of, I don't know what to call it, but you guys got it right. Yeah, so I'm just mapping and drawing that out, and next you will see what I do. So next I wanted some more glitter, so I took that green glitter and I applied it on top of the green eyeshadow. I sprayed my brush a little bit later because it was not picking up the glitter. So yeah, I went in with that because I wanted this look to be sparkly. Next I took this NYX Vivid Bright eyeliner and started making bulbs, like fairy light bulbs. So I used 3 shades. One is blue, the next will be red, and the last one will be yellow. So for the red bulb I used my MAC, it's called Fashion Legacy, if I'm not too wrong. Yeah, it is called Fashion Legacy, and this is a liquid lip, so I took it for the bright red pop of color. And for the golden one I did not have anything, so I mixed 3 things that you're going to see in a bit. So first I went in with this gold pencil from NYX, and then I took some eyeshadow and then some glitter. As you can probably see, the gold is not that gold, so I took some yellow shade from the palette, the Sofx palette, and I applied it on top of the pencil. Then yeah, that's the shade, and I also applied it under, like on the inner 1/3 of my eyes, because I wanted to do 3 colors on my under eyes. So then I went in with this shade. This is a very nice pinkish red shade, and again lastly the blue shade, because I had 3 colors, like the 3 color bulbs. Bulbs sound really weird, but yeah, that's it. And for my waterline I used this nude pencil from Maybelline. Curled my lashes, I applied some mascara and some false lashes. I cannot talk today, but anyways, yeah. So I applied falsies off camera as usual, and after that I applied some mascara on my lower lashes, and then what I did was I took the same Miss Clay glitter, applied it on the yellow bulbs and also in the inner corner where I have applied the yellow shade, sorry. And then I went in with more glitters according to the color that I have on my lower lash line. So blue is for the blue part, and then there's a very beautiful pink glitter that I used for the center, which was reddish pink color. I told you guys already. I'm so glad I got this palette. This is coming so handy. And also the under eye, like the lower lash line, the shadows were looking so beautiful. Next I went in with a nude lip pencil. This is called Cotton Pink from Miss Claire, 65 rupees. Oh my god, such a good lip liner. Then I went in with my like all-time favorite lip shade. This is NYX lip laundry in this shade Seduction, and I mixed some of the sugar liquid lipstick in the shade Tan Fan in the centers. Oh my god, this makes the most amazing concoction ever. Then I blended it out with a brush to make it look gradient, and that was the completed look, guys. And we are done with day 3 of Merry Mass. I'm so proud of myself for doing this. And yeah, see you next time. Bye bye.